Hello friends, thanks for joining AVI TECH-LEARN. So today we are going to learn simple technique to shut down the system. By clicking just one icon, we can shut down the system. I'll show you simple method. The usual way of shutdowning the system is we go to the start. Over here we're going to click on the start button and we have your power button. In the power button, just click on the power. We have your shutdown. So this is one method. The second method is we usually press Alt and F4. So this is the second method. The third method is simple method. When you right click on the desktop, we have your new. In the new option, there is a shortcut. Just click on this shortcut. As soon as you click on the shortcut, it will ask you type the location of the item. I'm going to write here slide to shut down. So just click on this next button and finish your work. So we are done with the shutdown option. When I click on this icon here, so just go here, double click on this. You can see we're getting the option slide to shut down your PC. When I slide down this, my system will get shut down. The next option is right click on this icon. Just go to the properties. We have the properties here, you can see here. Just click on this properties and after the general there is a word called shortcut. So click on the shortcut. There is a change icon. Click on this change icon and just give it OK here. Just give it OK. And you have multiple icons here. You can see here multiple icons. Whichever you want, you can select. Now I'm going to select on this shutdown button. Give it OK. And apply and just click on OK. When I double click on this, you can see here we have done with our work. Thank you very much for joining AVI TECH-LEARN. Please do share the videos, subscribe and like the videos. Thank you for your support. See you all.